Very good morning student. How are you all? I hope you all fine. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 1, term 2, geography, migration and urbanization. Book back exercise. First choose the correct answer. First question, people move from dash to dash mainly in search for better jobs. What is the correct answer? Rural to urban. The second one, a person moves from his own country to another country is known as, what is the correct answer? Immigrant. The migration in search of the fertile agriculture land is dash migration, is called rural to rural. And fourth one, war is one of the dash causes of the human migration, is a political. Fifth one, the main reason for the development of the urbanization in prehistorical period was domestication of cattle. Next, the second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Urbanization is determined by dash number of the factors. How many factors? 3. Yes, good. Dash is the major force factor operating in the rural areas. What is the answer? Poverty. And third one, metropolitan city in India has the second highest urban population in the world. What is the place name? It's the Delhi. Good. The movement of the person based on his free will and desire to live in the better places, dash migration. Yes, voluntary migration. In modern times, urban growth was illustrated by the development of dash, yes, towns and cities. Next, we are going to see match the following. Immigration means out migration. Immigration in migration. Full factor social cultural migration. First factor employment opportunity only, they will be pushed with another one part. So marriage means employment. State whether the following statement are true or false. Slums are generally found in cities. Correct? Yes, true. Mass migration is absent in the modern period. It's true or false? Yes, true. The process of urbanization has a short history. It's correct? No. It's a long history. It's a false. Cities and towns are the major polluters of the environment. Is correct? Yes. So true. And transhumance is also referred as seasonal migration. So correct or wrong? It's a true. Next, answer the given statement and choose the correct options or given one. First statement is urbanization is mainly due to the movement of the people from rural to city. But the reason rural to urban migration is not the predominant one. Is that correct? So, first one, A is the correct, but the reason will be wrong. Next, answer the following question in brief. First one, define migration. What is the answer they given? Migration means all know the play. One people move from one place to another place. Some of the reason. Migration has been defined differently by different experts. In general, migration is defined as the permanent or semi-permanent change of the residence of individual or group of people over the significant distance. So the term migration refers to the movement of people from one place to another. Is correct? Yes. Second, what are the causes of the rural to urban migration? What are the causes? The ecological or natural causes of the migration, economic causes of the migration, social or cultural causes of the migration, demographic causes of migration and political causes of migration. It's the 5 point. And third one, state the causes of the ecological or natural migration. The first reason, nature causes include, what is the volcanic eruption, mankind change another considerably. At this stage, people continue move from one religion to another religion and search of they want to cultivate. So they fertilize land for cultivation. So you all learn with this book back exercise. Fill up, choose the correct answers, match the following and 3 question answers. So we are discuss remaining part next class. Thank you student.